As a professional, the methods and tools you use have changed over the years, but your commitment to delivering quality work has remained the same. When selecting your tools to get the job done, they need to have the functionality and durability to match your commitment to results. While the reliable tape measure is a staple of any job site, who couldn't use a speed upgrade? Introducing the M1 Caliber by REEKON Tools. The M1 is a powerful, fully integrated augmented tool that outputs the linear measurement of anything slid underneath it, eliminating the need to measure and mark materials. The large backlit screen allows you to select English or metric units and is visible in a variety of lighting conditions. A dynamic spring-loaded arm automatically adjusts to the material being slid underneath it and works with a wide range of geometries and thicknesses. The M1 clamps directly on most saw fences, automatically compensates for the blade thickness, and allows for uninterrupted continual cutting, making quick work of any material and cut list. Whether you're working in the shop, framing out a house, putting on the finishing touches, or anywhere in between, the M1 has you covered. Getting started is simple. Clamp the M1 to your saw fence and release the arm. Move your material under the arm towards the saw blade. Zero the measurement reading, slide the material to your desired location, and start cutting. The M1 Caliber gives you dead-on cuts in a fraction of the time of using a tape measure, allowing you to finish your jobs quicker and more accurately. REEKON Tools. Make forward.
Hi, I'm Emmett Costin.
And I'm Mike Costin.
And we're the father and son team behind DIMIDE. Back in 2016, we launched the original impact wrench compatible DIMIDE clamp. Since then, we have talked to thousands of fabricators, makers, welders, and other people who generally like to get their hands dirty. Today, we are here because we need your help again to launch the new and improved DIMIDE Quarter Series clamp.
Our goal with the Quarter Series clamp is to make it the go-to clamp for all of your work. We have achieved this with a clamp that easily delivers the perfect amount of force for any job at an affordable price.
To deliver a secure grip, the Quarter Series clamp is compatible with quarter-inch impact drivers. This allows you to deliver 1,800 pounds of clamp force within just a few seconds.
We know that every project is different. That's why we've made the Quarter Series clamp the most modular clamp in the market. Easily switch out jaws to use the clamp for sheet metal, pipe, wood, or anything else.
We already have over 20 peripheral jaws designed. Every reach goal we hit will allow us to launch the peripheral in addition to the quarter series clamp. As a thank you for your support, you the backers will get to pick from one unlocked peripheral which will be included for free with your clamp.
To help make the DIMIDE quarter series clamp a success, please share this campaign with your friends, family, colleagues, and anyone who uses clamps.
As the final thank you for getting this far in the video, we believe you deserve to see the diamond clamp breaking some stuff.
Yeah!
I'm Douglas Windeler. I'm a designer and an engineer. I've invented a multi-tool system that allows you to pick and choose to select exactly what you want and leave the rest behind. This is the WINDELER tool stack. It's an incredibly adaptable modular hand tool system and the only one of its kind in the world. Using powerful N52 neodymium magnets, these tools can be assembled in any combination and adjusted and readjusted on the fly exactly as you like. You cycle, you surf, you camp, you climb, you work. It doesn't matter what your activity or task, the WINDELER tool stack will have you covered. Why carry tools you don't need when you can select exactly what you do need and carry only that? Each tool is designed to easily break out of the stack. This gets around some of the awkwardness of standard multi-tool systems and allows you the freedom and flexibility to use each tool individually. The cycle stack. This is your go-to when jumping on your bike for either a short blast or a full-on expedition. It contains all the essentials for the open road, the trail, or the track. Our first version of the cycle stack includes a full driver set, a chain splitter, and a spoke key. You can select just a couple of tools or take the whole stack. The surf stack. This is designed to meet every surfer's needs. It contains a robust wax comb and wax stripper, 3 fin keys for every fin setup, and of course a bottle opener for when the sun sets on your session. The Wild Knife is the hero of our launch range. You can carry it on its own or pair it with any of our other tools to create the most versatile outdoor tool you can dream of. The blade is made of hardened stainless steel and the handle is made of lightweight titanium alloy. It takes up no space whatsoever with a folded thickness of only 4 millimeters and a weight of just 35 grams. That's lighter than a Kit Kat. When the WINDELER tool stack gets dirty, simply separate the tools, clean and reassemble. No more jamming. Using exotic, high-tech materials and processes developed largely for the aerospace industry, I have created a set of tools that are lightweight and durable, and that won't let you down. The majority of our tools are made of TI6AL4V. It's an aerospace-grade titanium alloy. The tools are then plasma nitride hardened, giving them a super hard shell. This creates the perfect balance between lightweight and tough. When you're on your bike or in the mountains, you feel every gram. Sometimes, on an expedition or adventure, it's what you don't take that matters the most.